This video deals with problems in GRE quantitative section. The topics dealt with are pie charts and polygons. Given a pie chart of photographic equipment production in 1971, the revenue is 3,980 million. Sensitized goods is 47%. Motion picture equipment is 5%. Prepared photochemicals is 7%. Microfilm is 4%, office copies is 25%, still picture equipment is 12%. Approximately what was the ratio of sensitized goods to the value of still picture equipment produced? As per the graph, sensitized goods is 47% and still picture equipment is the green part, which is 12%. So the ratio is 47% by 12% because we need to find the value of sensitized goods to the value of still picture equipment produced. So that is approximately 4:1 because 12 fours are 48. If the value of office copies produced in 1971 was 30% greater than the corresponding value in 1970, what was the value of the office copies produced in 1970? So whatever we need to find, we will call it X. Let the value of the office copies produced in 1970 be X. Now value in 1971 is 30% greater than the value in 1970. So value in 1971 will be X plus 30% of X, that is 30 by 100 into X. So 1 0 gets cancelled, it is X plus 3X by 10. Taking the LCM, it is 13X by 10, which is 1.3X. Going back to the graph, we are looking at the office copies in 1971. That would be 25%. So 25% of 3,980, which is 995 million. So equating both, we get 1.3x equal to 995 million. Because as per our calculations, the value in 1971 is 30% more than x. And as per the graph, it is 995 million. So simplifying, we get X is 765 million. So the value of the copies produced in 1970 is 765 million. That would be the answer. Question 2. How many unique triangles can be inscribed in the vertices of an octagon if points A and B, two vertices in the octagon, cannot make up the same triangle? Number of triangles formed from the vertices of an octagon is 8C3. Because an octagon has 8 vertices and a triangle has 3. So 8C3 is 56. We need to find the number of triangles which do not contain both A and B. So first, because the question is points A and B cannot make up the same triangle. So we need to calculate the number of triangles which do not have both A and B. So first we find the number of triangles that contain A and B. To do that, fix A and B. So one point is remaining for a triangle to be formed, and that can be chosen from the remaining 6 points in 6 ways. So number of triangles that contain A and B is 6. So number of triangles that do not contain A and B will be total number of triangles, which is 56, minus 6, which is 50. Question 3. A rectangular cuboid of volume 3200 mm cubed has a rectangular base of length 10 mm and width 8 mm. Find the height of the cuboid. Now volume of a cuboid is length into width into height. Volume is 3200, the length is 10 and the width is 8. So you will get it as 40 mm. That would be the height of the cuboid. How many diagonals are there in a regular polygon of 6 sides? A regular polygon of 6 sides has 6 vertices. And number of lines that can be formed using these 6 vertices is 6C2, because to form a line you join 2 vertices. So you are taking 2 vertices at a time from 6 vertices. So it is 6C2, which is 15. Of these 6 lines, 6 are the edges. A diagonal cannot be an edge. So number of diagonals would be 15 minus 6, which is 9. For more videos on GRE Quant, visit my YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel ID.